All right, going to try to keep this camera from jiggling. In this video, I want to address the problem that comes up sometimes in tarot reading circles of how can I prevent my cards from getting a permanent wave. You know, when you shuffle your cards, sometimes you'll find decks, sometimes you'll have decks that have a wave in them, like, a little arch, like I'm bending my cards right now. Now, I'm able to keep my cards from having that permanent wave because I do one of two things. My wife does it this way. She does not shuffle them, you know, like that way. She doesn't do that. What she will do is that she will shuffle them overhand. And that is one way to keep a permanent wave from developing in your cards. It keeps them pretty much lying flat. Now, if you're clumsy at doing it like that, like I am, another way you can do it is that when you shuffle your cards the standard way, like this, instead of just doing it one way like that, what I do is I flip it upside down and then do it again. And that way, instead of getting a permanent wave going one side, your cards will tend to straighten out and keep straight throughout their lifetime. This deck I have used for a few months now, and I've been shuffling it like this, alternating one side to another, and keeping it pretty much wave free. See how straight that deck is. I had to try to purposely bend it out of shape in the beginning of this video. But by flipping it upside down and shuffling it, like I've been demonstrating here, you will keep your cards from getting that permanent wave, and they'll keep looking nicer and newer for a lot longer. So, hey, hope you found some value in this video. If you got a deck with a permanent wave in it, let me know. And like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think. So, until later, this is Ralph signing out. We'll catch you with more tarot tips and updates. Till then, take care and have a great weekend. Bye bye.